How to do affiliate marketing without burning out, right? So let's talk about what burning out even is, right? So basically, what burning out basically means is basically when you're trying something new or you're trying to stay consistent, but then things that you don't see the results and you're not happy with it, and you're gonna feel like, this is a scam, this doesn't work, I'm wasting all my time doing this, and I'm not seeing any results. It's kind of like someone's telling you, I've seen you trying this do for a long time, right? But you're not making results. Don't you think it's time to throw in the towel? That's what basically burnout basically means, right? That's what it feels like, and that's what it basically means. And no one likes to hear that. Okay, so let's talk about how to not burn out, right? So the thing is that when you first start film marketing, a lot of people actually start. The biggest mistakes they try to do is try to make content on the go. So let's say you have a 9 to 5, or let's say you're trying to go do something else, and you're trying to maybe do this part time, and you can't really say you don't have time. Yeah, everybody has 24 hours, right? But the thing is that you say you don't have time is because you're hesitant to post the content, and you also don't know what to post, right? And when you try to post it from scratch, it's really a lot harder than you think it is. That's why a lot of people that actually make a lot of content, what they do is called batch content. So what does batching content mean? Well, batching content basically just means you're creating content in advance, anywhere from 10 to 30 pieces of content throughout that week for the whole month. That way, the whole month, you're prepared to create content. As you're ready to go on your social media, you're ready to post. But things that a lot of people do is they try to just find content once every other day and try to post like once or maybe like 2 times throughout the week, and they're gonna see the results come really, really slow or no results at all, and then they're gonna just feel like, this is not working. I'm, I am. What am I doing? This doesn't feel like it's worth it, right? And then that's what happens. So how do you actually do that? Well, first of all, you gotta be organized, right? Create a folder or something on your phone where you could keep all your content organized. So that way you know what to post, right? So create about 20, from 10 to 20, 10 to 30 pieces of content, and then finding whether it's on your Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, your Pinterest, Twitter, TikTok, maybe even LinkedIn if you use LinkedIn. Those are the top 7 platforms I see a lot of field marketers, a lot of marketers using. And you can choose the one that you're most comfortable with, but I highly recommend you to choose all of them because it's limitless, you guys. You guys could choose what you want to post, whether it's videos, quotes, entirely up to you. And I would say just put it aside maybe from 2 3 hours in a week for one of those days to just make content. Turn off all distractions for about an hour to three. Make your content and just keep it batched, right? Because that way you're organized and you're ready to post. Because a lot of people think that it's so easy to do this, but it's not. And this is the actually number one thing why a lot of people quit, and a lot of people always say it's a scam, it doesn't work, and I don't want you guys to feel like that. So this stuff that I'm teaching you guys are strategies that I paid for, and I'm willing to share to you guys for free these types of strategies. So if you have any questions, feel free to leave them down below. But hold on, before that, anyways, let me show you like how to find content. So basically, you just go to your social media, find something you're inspired, whether it's a video or content. You can go YouTube too. Like I love Gary Vee, and then all these Tony Robbins, all these people that are really inspirational in the make money online industry, right? Or you can go to like your YouTube or Pinterest. Just find a piece of content, anything. Don't overcomplicate this. People think that it has to be perfect or it has to be like so good, and basically just find something you could connect to. Make it your story. Make it connect to you, and then your followers and your audience are gonna just come to you. That's how it works. Like look like this. Congrats to Mel Force for making $8,100 USD commission. So she made $8,100 in this group. I mean, that's amazing in my opinion. I don't know about you guys, but yeah, I think that's great. But yeah, find something that you could resonate with. Don't be going out there saying you're making X amount of money when you're actually not. And just be you. Share your story, connect with your audience, and this is how it works. And again, yeah, if you have any questions, leave them down below in the comments. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Again, if you have any questions, you can always DM me on my Instagram or Facebook. Click on my link tree. And then, yeah, I hope you guys have success. Best luck, you guys. Thanks for watching.